Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make bone broth easy. First, gather your main ingredients. You'll need about 2 to 3 pounds of bones, like beef marrow or chicken feet, for a rich flavor. Don't forget your aromatics: 1 large onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks. A crucial step is adding 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. This helps draw out all those beneficial minerals from the bones during cooking. This simple preparation sets the stage for a nourishing broth. Once your ingredients are ready, place them all into a large stock pot or a slow cooker. Next, cover everything with 12 to 16 cups of cold water, ensuring the bones are fully submerged. Bring the pot to a gentle boil on the stovetop, then immediately reduce the heat to a very low simmer. Let it cook slowly for a minimum of 12 hours and up to 24 hours for the best extraction of nutrients and flavor. Patience is key here for a truly robust broth. After simmering, it's time to strain your beautiful bone broth. Carefully pour the entire contents of your pot through a fine mesh sieve or a cheesecloth-lined colander into a clean bowl. Make sure to discard all the cooked bones and vegetables. Their work is done. Allow the broth to cool completely before transferring it to airtight containers. You can store it in the refrigerator for up to 5 days or freeze it for several months, ready for use. Enjoying your homemade bone broth offers numerous health benefits. It's known to support gut health and provides essential amino acids that your body needs. Plus, it's packed with collagen, which is fantastic for promoting healthy skin, hair, and strong joints. You can sip it warm on its own or use it as a flavorful base for soups, stews, and sauces. For more great deals, including the Echo Dot smart speaker, check the description below this video. It's a versatile and nourishing addition to your diet.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.